Hey everyone, CodePunk here again with another tutorial for you. So this is basically a follow-up to the Set as Wallpaper tutorial that I had earlier, except it's probably the one I should have started with. It's a little bit easier than the other one, but it uses your own pictures instead of ones you find on the internet. So we'll go ahead and get started. So again, this is my desktop, and as you can see the word CodePunk, and then this PC recycle bin. So what we want to do is set our wallpaper to a image we have saved locally on our computer. So the first thing you want to do is right click on the desktop, select personalize, and that'll bring up the personalization window in settings. And what you want to do is look for the choose your picture with the browse button. So what we're going to do is you can either select one right here, which I have, or you can just hit browse and actually navigate to that picture. So click browse. By default it'll be in this pictures folder. I have some saved in my downloads folder. Really doesn't matter where you have it saved. So all you do, and this is pretty easy, is select the wallpaper that you want. And here I have a robot wallpaper that I used in my previous tutorial, and then click choose picture. And then if we go and minimize this or close it, what you see is the wallpaper that we selected, which is the robot theme. So as you can see, pretty easy. You could go ahead and set pictures that you have saved locally, your kids, your landscape pictures maybe you saved on your camera, whatever you need. So that's it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.